a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located only
Yes.
11 miles southwest
SVR.
of West Milford, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60
Wait.
miles per hour with gust.
Victory Gardens.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 30 and 49. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. Single severe report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is
Torrential rainfall. I think the